I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. Oh, I'm in love with your body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Pebbles. As you see by the title, I am doing a review on Flawless You beauty products. This is their Flawless by Friday 5-day mask. That's the back of it. It just came in a regular box. So this is day 1. This is what they come in. So of course we're gonna start it today, day 1, and then here is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now guys, I don't have time to do this in the morning before I go to work, so this is always going to be done at nighttime before I go to bed. Because I know I ain't going to do this before I go to work. I wake up probably about 45 minutes before I got to be there anyways. Not going to happen, y'all. So, I'm going to put this one on now. It actually just says, and don't mind me, I took my wig off for this because I ain't want this stuff to get on my hair. Because I didn't know how it was. So let's see. So this is what it looks like inside. Doesn't smell bad. Oh, let's see. Try to take this out. It feel like gel. Oh, it's all. Oh, I guess it done came apart. What? Oh, it's so slippery, y'all. Okay, hold on. So let's try to do this. Oh, it's cold. Okay, so this is the top part. Ugh, I'm glad I did this in my bathroom. Okay, this is the bottom. So, it's kind of hard to talk with this on. There we go. Okay. So it says, apply it, and I gotta leave it on for 15 minutes. So, So I'll be back in 15, y'all. Bye. All right, y'all. It's been 15 minutes, so it's time to take this stuff off. Ooh. Now, according to this, it says pat remainder in. Oh, I guess I'm not supposed to wash. We're not supposed to wash the stuff off. Oh. So my face still looks wet. Yeah, it just says pat remainder in the skin. So, I don't notice that much of a difference, besides my face still being wet. I have a lot of freckles, guys, and it's all over my face. And then I had a issue back when I was younger, probably like most of us, that I used to pop my pimples a lot. So, let's see how this actually ends up working out. Better. All right. Later, guys. Let's see what day 5 looks like. Come back to you then. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also drop those comments. If it's anything you want to see me do, definitely go ahead and drop that comment. Sorry for the background noise, guys. No matter what I do, I am never alone in my damn house. So I still always have freaking noise. I'm sure a lot of you parents can relate to this. Kids don't never give a damn what you doing. Even if they supposed to be asleep, they still find a way to come to your ass and interrupt you on something you're supposed to be doing. But anywho, bye guys.
I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too.